Hey there, camera enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of action-packed recording with the GoPro HERO9. Get ready to capture stunning moments in ways you've never imagined. I'm your host, and in this video, we're about to explore the incredible features of the GoPro HERO9. Let's get started. Are you ready to elevate your video quality? The GoPro HERO9 lets you shoot in jaw-dropping 5K resolution, ensuring that every detail is preserved, even when you zoom in. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or epic action shots, this camera is your ultimate companion for top-notch videography. But it's not just about videos. With the HERO9, you can also snap stunning 20 megapixels photos with absolute clarity. And here's the game changer, SuperPhoto. This feature automatically selects the best image processing for you, ensuring your photos look as professional as can be. Say hello to intuitive control. The HERO9 comes equipped with a larger rear touchscreen that offers touch zoom capabilities. And that's not all. There's a dazzling new front display as well, making framing shots and controlling your camera a breeze. Ready to share your adventures in real time? The HERO9 has got you covered. You can live stream in 1080p on social media platforms, all while enjoying the incredible hyper-smooth stabilization for a seamless broadcast. Smoothness redefined. The HERO9 features Hyper-Smooth 3.0, the most advanced video stabilization ever. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to the ultimate level of smoothness, no matter how extreme your activities are. And speaking of captivating videos, TimeWarp 3.0 is here to blow your mind. Create mesmerizing time-lapse scenes whether you're on the road, on foot, or anywhere else. You can even adjust the speed ramp to add a creative touch to your recordings. Don't let the gnarliest conditions hold you back. The HERO9 Black is as tough as nails and waterproof down to 33 feet right out of the box. So go ahead, capture those underwater wonders without a worry. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the GoPro HERO9. With its impressive 5K video, SuperPhoto, Hyper-Smooth 3.0, and more, it's a game changer for capturing your adventures like never before. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on more exciting tech reviews. I'm your host, and until next time, capture the world in style with the GoPro HERO9, only on Product Critique. Stay connected by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media for more tech wonders and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Product Critique.